replacing the thermal paste on an Xbox 360 Model S. And then we're gonna pull the hard drive. What we gotta do is we're gonna end up flipping this thing over, because we got a bunch of screws we gotta take out yet. And so the first screws I wanna take off are these 4. Looks like we got one more here on the back. All right, and we're free. Let's see, we just gotta put this underneath. Alright, we are ready to put the new thermal paste on. So for that, I'm going to be using the Arctic MX6. I'm sure that'll be enough. Bear with me, these things are a pain in the butt.